Yeah.
Two clothes.
Mm-hmm. Whoa. You still more?
Yes.
What's that? Disney storybooks.
An egg.
Oh my god.
Oh, Disney hat.
You want to put it on?
We have two.
Oh, I love it.
햇님 떠면 이거 가져갈 거야.
What's that?
puzzle.
Oh my god.
What's this?
Oh, is that snack? What's that? Oh, it's cookie. Ooh.
Biscuit.
Biscuit, yes.
Some egg. Another egg.
Uh-huh.
There's more.
More?
Ribbon.
Oh my god, show me. Whoa, it's pretty.
Candies.
Oh my god.
Kinder chocolate. And what's this? 이거 뭐야?
I don't know. Let's take a look. Can you say thank you to Uncle Luke?
Thank you, Uncle Luke.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And we have a big bag.
Yeah.
What's inside? Maybe cut.
Okay.
엄마, 이거는 손으로 뜯는 거야.